Hi friends, in this session we will going to see the Latin square design. Okay, in this design we will consider 6 by 6 design, that is having 6 treatments. Okay, you see here you can put the character name here. Whatever character you selected for the analysis, you can put the character name over here in this row. Below that you will get the treatment, that is R1. It means row 1, row 2, row 3. Likewise you can allocate the treatments like A, B, C, D, but don't repeat any character here. Means once you put the C here, you can check cross in the column or in the row. You can put only C here, then not need to put anywhere C. Okay, and not need to here also. You can don't repeat any character, you can follow the rule. Okay, and this is editable for your research, because if you allocated treatments for your research, you can put this is C, maybe here, or maybe here, anywhere, right? So as per your need you can change this, and as per your allocated treatments you can put the data. Okay, it's a simple way, and this is the fully automatic design, so it's very easy to do the analysis in Excel. It's fully automatic, it's formulated, so you will get everything. You just need to change the red color values as per your research data. Okay, in that you will get the grand total, then you will get the row total, then row average, you will get column total, column average, then you will get the treatment total. You can see here in treatment total, I'll give you some information about this, how we will count the treatment totals. Okay, because here is the 6 by 6 design, so we need to find out the 6 A's. Okay, you can see here is 1A, 2, 3, then 4, 5 and 6 A's. Okay, so you can see here the treatment total for A 22.20. Okay, so let's check our design is working fine or not. We can consider the first rows A here in third column, 1, 2, 3. Okay, here we can select that. Okay, then another one is for second here, you can select this. Another third A is here, then fourth is here, then sixth is here, and 7 is here. Okay, at the bottom you can see 3.7, and you see here the treatment average for A 3.7, and sum 22.20. You can see here the treatment total, it means treatment sum 22.20. okay, this is fully automatic, so not need to change anything. If you change the sequence, if you put 1A is here or here and here, any place, okay, but don't repeat in column or in row. This our software will do automatic everything. Okay, and you will get the treatment total. Let's talk about the ANOVA table, that is the analysis of variance table. So how many variation of different sources we can calculate here, that is source of variation, from which source we get the variation in our research. That's we mentioned here. First is the treatments, second row, column, then below you will get the residual, that is we called as error degrees of freedom. Below that you will get the total, then here you can see the degrees of freedom, 5, 5, 5. Here is the formula I wrote in the column. Then you will get the sum of square, mean sum of square, calculated F tables, and significance. Okay, you can see here you will get the significance, whether your treatments are significant or non-significant, then row or column are significant or non-significant, and this is for 5% as well as the 1%. Okay, you'll get the CB value, standard error mean value, standard error difference value. Then very important, you will get the CD value for 5% and CD value for 1%. When the treatments are non-significant, they not need to calculate the CD value, because if there is no difference among the treatments, then we will not doing any further analysis like post hoc analysis or CD comparison or least square analysis. Okay, we are avoiding all that analysis, which is the post hoc analysis. Okay, if you want any information regarding the post hoc analysis, then definitely ask me in the comment box. I'll explain all things in the comment box, or I'll make the simple one video to explain what exactly that. Okay, next point, you will get the final thesis table. You can make it final, just copy this table and paste in your thesis format or in thesis. Okay, it's a simple one. If you want the graphical data representation of your data, means your final thesis table, then here is the automatic graph. Just you need to put the axis title here and here, and if you want to give the name, you can just change the properties. Okay, chart design and the layout, and add the elements. If you want texts, you can add. If you want title, you can add. Okay, if you want to change the design, you can change the design, color, or everything is here. Okay, if you want to change the color, you can able to change everything. Okay, so this is all about the 6x6 Latin square design. Okay, if any query, or if you want this software for the analysis of your data, then you will get my WhatsApp number in the description of this video, so you can contact me. Otherwise you can make by yourself, but it's a little bit complicated to make by yourself, so you need to buy from us, then definitely contact me. I'll put my WhatsApp number in the Excel.